The MCR Safety Excavator 940 brings to the market hand protection designed for the mining industry and other applications needing additional dorsal metacarpal protection. It is constructed with premium grain pigskin with a double palm, forefinger, and thumb area. The 2-inch ribbed elastic knit wrist helps keep dust and debris out of the glove. The 3/16-inch thick closed-cell foam padding provides protection to the entire backside of the hand, fingers, and thumb. The full sock, napped polyester jersey lining, wing thumb, and black cotton twill back help provide a comfortable glove for all-day wear. The 940 is sewn with DuPont Kevlar thread for strength and durability and is available in sizes small through double extra large. The 940 is also available in a high-vis option 940HV. Applications for the 940 include mining, heavy construction, brick handling, demolition, manufacturing, fabrication, and heavy landscaping.